Now, on our game, girls, make it move backward. Pantayan yung boys. Yan. Okay, that is the starting time. Okay, on our game, listen. Okay, so different. On our English game is what we call the Jollibee Build a Pyramid game. Okay, first, kanina po baby ito. Okay, good go. Ate, you will be the first player. Ikaw ang unang maglalaro. Same to you, kuya. Ikaw ang number 1 player. Okay? Then, ganito. When I say go, pag sinabi ninyo yung aking go, ang gagawin po ninyo, kailangan tatakbo kayo dito tatakbo sa harap, iikot sa upuan. Iikot on the chair. Then after you turn the chair, you need to shake your body 3 times. Okay? Ate, you need to shake your body 3 times. Then, ikaganito muna natin siya into 1. Okay? Then, bala ka ganyan. I-build nyo naman siya into a pyramid. Just like that. Okay? Sample. Sample na natin si number 1. Okay, number 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! We have a winner again. What's the magic word? Ang nanalo on our game will be the boys team. Okay, boys team, congratulations. Come here. This is your prize. That's one. Who is the last player? The boy. Wala na. Ay, ayun si Kuya. Okay, congratulations all of you. Palakpakan mo po natin sila.